Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Refectocil Pure Black Cream Hair Dye and Liquid Oxidant 3 1.7 ounces Color Kit with mixing brush and dish. A bit time consuming if you're doing your lashes by yourself, but excellent results, and color on your lashes last a long time. A step not covered in the instructions that made a big difference is letting the dye sit for at least a minute to oxidize before applying. Make sure to have some Vaseline and paper eye cutouts to assure you don't get the dye on your skin. Goes on thicker than most eyebrow, lash dyes, so it get every hair, which is important if they're sparse. This product works. The best way to learn how to apply is to go on YouTube and look up a tutorial on tinting brows. Make sure you put it on thick and leave on longer than the instructions suggest. Way cheaper than going to a salon, and nice to do in the comfort home smile. It's very convenient to mix it at home, apply, do some home things, wash it away with water, and you look like a new penny. It might get a bit darker for the first couple days, but then the color becomes perfect. Also, you really only need a pea size of the dye with maybe 10 drops of developer. This really is more of a dark brown for me, however, even though it says it's light brown. Poor coverage on gray hair, which makes you keeping applying at least 2 times a week. 5 as specified. It only takes 5 minutes to set on. Within 510 minutes actually colors the brows. It also washes away by the next day. Your brows are back to looking the same. Product very good, but this size is so small. If you buy size big separate is better. It works, and it stays a long time. Love it. Aided to burn, but was expecting that low. You only need a teeny amount of dye, less than pea-sized, and a couple of drops of oxidant. The color is strong and lasts for quite a few weeks with normal fading on the inner outer lashes only. Wash your eye thoroughly with water if this happens. Think 9th grade science class eye wash. Great color, much better than the Godfrey, which was too severe and gave me angry brows. Though Godfrey is made with henna clay, it has a strong odor. This product had almost none. It could have come with a mascara one to apply the dye, but otherwise it works great, and experienced mild discomfort, which is inevitable when applying hair dye so close to your eyes. And it fades slowly, but to make it work you really have to put it on in several days of repeated application. If you are not experienced with color, you definitely need to watch a video first. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.